Hello guys, good morning, Radhe Radhe. Today's video is not just a regular beauty tip or makeup video or any kind of skincare or like beauty tip video. Today's video is about your inner health care, your gut care, because gut is related to your immune system, your skin care, health care, and everything. If you keep your gut healthy, you will be relieved from any kind of acne or any kind of hair fall related issues. The recipe today I'll be sharing, I have been taking since COVID 19, like back in 2019 December, I started taking this, and since then I have never stopped taking this, not even a single day. I take this every single morning, like in an empty stomach, before my medicines, because I had to take my regular thyroid medicines. Before that, I take this in an empty stomach without brushing. This helps in controlling blood sugar levels, also boosts immunity, clean your gut, and most importantly, relieves constipation related issues. I will share this detailed recipe with you so that you also get benefits from it. So stay tuned with the recipe. So start with taking fennel or soft, cumin or zira or carom seeds and or ajwain seeds in equal proportion. I mix them so I keep them together. Then rolled cinnamons. Remember, no cassia, only rolled cinnamons and not the long one. Only a quarter or half is required for one person or two, not more than that. Other than that, clove with flowers on the above. See, flowers. So clove with the flowers, because cloves helps in anti-inflammatory properties, boosts digestive enzymes. So it's very important. Then comes black peppercorns. Black peppercorns helps in boosting immune system and digestion. So it's important too. You can skip the cinnamon sticks if you have any issues or allergies on anything, but I would suggest use all of them and soak overnight. Not like like five cloves you're taking, two you can soak overnight and the rest for grinding or others. But other than that, soak each and everything, specifically cinnamon, one clove, and the jeera, cumin, fennel, and carom seeds. Soak them overnight. Then the left items, that is black peppercorns and cloves, you need to like grind them a bit. Take the rest, four or five as per your wish. You take them and the black peppercorns and grind them. I would suggest avoid mixer grinder and यूज़ अ मोटर पेसल, सिलपट्टा और कुछ भी जो आपको ठीक लगे. मुझे मोटर एंड पेसल अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि आई फील दैट दे गिव अ natural touch and it gives you a good grinding, because it brings out the flavor, brings out every essential goodness of the spices. So I feel avoid mixies and use mortar and pestle. You have to stop there where it's not too much of powder and not like too much of coarse, just somewhere in the middles. I will show you. Just take a look like this. Coarse, not like a fine powder. That's enough for your thing. Then switch on your gas, bring it to a high flame. I'm here using induction, so it's to 160. I'm bringing the temperature. So take to the highest level of gas until it's get boiled. So let it boil. When a bit of boiling starts, add your grinding mixture to it. Remember, when the boiling just starts, not complete boiling, not medium. Then in that temperature, let it boil until it's like bubbles up or it starts like infuriating bubbling. So as you can see, it has bubbled up and it's like fine boiling now. Then when it in this stage, you need to reduce this to lowest, no medium, to lowest. Here I am bringing it to 100 degrees Celsius, so somewhere near low to medium, not medium also, not quite low also. I have brought it to 100 degrees. So let it boil. If 1 cup of water, bring it to half and bring it to a brown color. Then strain it. This is as simple as it. Then strain the complete water, and when it's in lukewarm form, you have to take it, because cinnamon controls blood sugar levels. The black peppercorn clove has anti-inflammatory, digestive, enzyme boosting qualities. This will literally give calmness to your gut and stomach. This will literally help you in calming your constipation related issues, and sometimes I take it at night for good sleep also. So that's it, very easy. So the recipe is done. Now I will tell you how to have this. You must take this in an empty stomach for better results, and to improve good gut bacteria, take it before brushing your teeth. This is a pro tip of drinking this water. For this, you must brush your teeth in the night, and after that, the bacteria that stays in your mouth throughout the night, it helps in the morning with the lukewarm water and the magic potion drink to cleanse your gut and make your gut system a thorough healthy system. So then it clearly reflects on your skin. I have marks because I used to have acne which didn't go like rapidly. I had to take a number of things. So after taking this, my acne vanished, but the spots remain, which I'm still trying to cover them up. I can assure you with my experience and my journey that this will definitely give you results. Please try it and let me know if you have any other drink that you use and if this drink helped you getting any better. If you like this video and want more such recipes, do let me know and subscribe my channel. I love you all. Thank you.